Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. I came by to let you ladies know that I'm part of a collaboration with three other women on Instagram, Beauty Over Four collaboration, and we'll be doing a makeup collaborations for this month, March, which starts today. Start today. So if you're 40 and over, feel free to join us on Instagram. You're gonna hashtag Beauty Over 40 collab. Don't forget the hashtag Beauty Over 40 collab. I will drop that in the comment section for you ladies to follow us. Follow us. It's going to be on. We're about to make a mark that cannot be erased to let the beauty industry know that women over 40 can still be fabulous. Can you guys get excited about that? Because I am truly excited. I'm excited about this opportunity. I'm excited about this collaboration because some people think because you're over 40, you don't have to look fabulous. You know, beauty doesn't pertain to us. So let's make a mark together that cannot be erased. The collaboration we're doing today, we're using this brand called Huda Beauty, which is Huda Beauty. So we're doing a collaboration on this brand today. And the palette that I'm using is the Smokey, I believe it's Smokey, yeah, Smokey. So I'm excited about that. So you ladies, if you're interested, join us on Instagram. But join us on Instagram and don't forget the hashtag Beauty Over 40 collab. Again, that's Beauty Over 40 collab. So this is the look that I created today. I'm going to come back in a couple of days and do the look live. I was trying to do it today, but then my face broke out and then all the noise was happening, so I couldn't come back and do the whole entire look. But these are the colors that I used today. They are fabulous. Can you ladies see it? It's fabulous. Check this out. I'm excited. I put the silver, which right here, I put that in my crease area. Then I took this beautiful bronze and I hit it here in the middle. And then I smoked out the corners with the black and hit the gold down here at the bottom. And then I used the gold as my lip color. So ladies, don't forget, head over to Instagram. Feel free if you want to post it on Facebook, you're more than welcome. You can post your pictures on Facebook. But join me over at Instagram. I'm going to put my Instagram link at the bottom down here in the comment section for you ladies to join me over on Instagram. We're about to make a mark that cannot be erased. Let the world know that beauty, women over 40 and over can still look fabulous. Can you guys get excited about that? So I have to go, folks. I'll be posting the pictures. I have to take my photos and get them ready for Instagram. So join me, ladies. Join me. But I will be back with the complete look. I want everyone to stay encouraged and believe that something good is going to happen for you. And trust God for everything. So guys, head over to Instagram if you know anyone 40 and over that would like to be a part of this movement. Share the video, let them know about it. And don't forget, hashtag Beauty Over 40 collab, COLLAB, Beauty Over 40 collab. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I have to go. I just wanted to jump on to let you guys know that we're still on. And we're going to make a mark that cannot be erased. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Later, guys. But I'll be back in a couple of days to show you guys how I created this look. All right? So stay tuned. But head over to Instagram at 1 o'clock Eastern time. And the look will be up. I'll have my makeup look up there. Also with the other three ladies that we're doing the look together. Okay, folks? Later. With a thumbs up, click the share button, tell everybody you know. Beauty Over 40. We're making a mark that cannot be erased. Later. Talk to you guys soon. Be blessed, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.